Now, the last part that is remaining with us is exactly how to delete a cell. Now, we are very much aware. First, what is deleting a cell? Starting with the definition of a cell. So, what is a cell? A cell is a place where a row and a column intersect each other. So as you are able to see, I have selected this particular cell. So you are able to see E11 has been highlighted. E is the column and 11 is the number of row. So whenever we are talking about any of the cell, it is an intersection of a row and a column, as you are able to see over here. Click on the cell you want to delete. Suppose if I want to delete this particular cell, if I go in edit menu, you will be able to see delete. Now why it is showing row number 11? Because as I said from the definition of cell, here cell is a point where a column and a row intersect. So you are able to see this is row number 11. Either if I am able to select this, I am able to delete row number 11, column number E, or now in order to make you aware about this particular part, I will be coloring with certain different colors. I will be selecting E11 itself, but this time I'm giving any bright color so that you are able to understand exactly what happens when a row or when a cell is deleted. Now as we are able to see, four different colors I have used over here. So I'll go in edit, I'll go in delete, and now you are able to see shift cell up. So this particular dark green color will be moving up if I delete the cell. You are able to see over here the dark green color has moved up over there. Now I have control Z it in order to show you the different options over there. Again edit, delete, and shift left. So what will happen? Shift left, the yellow color thing will be moving to the left side. Done. So in this particular manner, you will be able to delete a cell using the edit menu. Right click over here. You are able to say delete cell and shift left. So the yellow will be shifting towards the left color or the left part, and the dark green color will be moving up if we go for delete and shift up. So in this manner, you are able to even delete a single cell.